This is day 4 on Mr. Weather Forecast in 60 seconds. Let's get started. So as you can see, we are issuing a few winter weather advisories in effect for some parts of Iowa, Illinois, Missouri. We also include for some parts of Nebraska, North Dakota, South Dakota. This also includes for Wisconsin and Minnesota. And also we are all seeing some more going on in southeastern Idaho, and also for some parts of northwestern Oregon and even the southeast and north and south central of Washington. We're also including a ice storm warning, which is in effect for some parts of central Iowa, so may want to keep an eye on that. According to the Storm Prediction Center, as you can see, we have a general risk extending from Texas all the way to Iowa and Nebraska, so not much of a concern other than just general thunderstorms. Currently on the radar, you can see that there is currently some snow and sleet and some slight rain extending from all the way from Texas to the southeastern and eastern South Dakota, and we're also experiencing some ice and sleet for some western parts of Iowa, northwestern parts of Missouri, and we're also including eastern parts of Nebraska, which is also another main concern. So if you guys are planning to travel, make sure you keep an eye out for any black ice. Black ice is not visible, so please be aware while you drive in those areas. I'm going to look at the temperature. As you can see, looks like the north central is experiencing some temperatures in the 20s, and even for the lower 10s. So might want to keep an eye on that, as temperatures could decrease later into the later hours, so might want to keep an eye on that. As for the snow accumulations, you see as we go further into the later hours of 11 a.m. on December 14, you can see we're going to be expecting to have 5 inches of snow for the southeastern parts of Iowa, and also for the northern parts of Missouri. So make sure you keep an eye on that one too. Well, anyways, this is going to conclude with today's video. As y'all mentioned earlier, I'm still going to keep making more updates, and also for another more update, we can see that there is also snow, like heavy, like about 14 to 16 inches of snow going on for Eastern California, so might want to keep an eye on that. And also this heavy snow is about to extend from Eastern California all the way to the northern central of Washington. So, and also for some parts of Idaho and Nevada. Well, this is all for today, y'all. Have a nice afternoon and a good night. And as always, let's go Storm Raiders. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.